Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever gotten frustrated by extra white space in your Mailchimp email templates, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted padding and create a cleaner, more professional look for your campaigns. Let's jump right into it. First things first, let's head over to Mailchimp. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. You'll land on the dashboard where all your marketing magic starts. Now we want to focus on your campaigns, so look for the Campaigns tab along the top or the side menu, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all of your newsletters, promotions, and templates, so it's a great place to get familiar with if you haven't already. Next up, we're going to create a landing page. You can do this by finding and clicking the Create button. You'll usually see this as a big, prominent button that's hard to miss. From the drop-down options, choose Landing Page. Don't worry if you haven't built a landing page before. The process is very similar to making an email campaign, so you're already on the right track. When prompted to name your landing page, just type in something you like, for instance, things you like. This part is just giving your new page a label that you'll recognize, so don't stress too much about the wording. Think of it as naming a file on your desktop. It's just to keep things organized. After you've named your landing page, Mailchimp will ask you to select a purpose or a template. Choose Promote Products. But if you see other categories that fit your goals better, you can always adapt. The Promote Products template is a solid starting point because it gives you a simple, clean layout that's easy to tweak. Click on that page to start editing. Now here's the key part, getting rid of that extra white space. Look for the Style settings, which are usually found on the sidebar or sometimes at the top. Click into Style. Within these settings, search for padding options. Padding is basically the invisible cushion around your content. While a little padding can help make things look balanced, too much will leave your emails looking spaced out and awkward, kind of like having a big blank border at a dinner table with only one plate. To tighten things up, set all the paddings to 0. This tells Mailchimp to remove those automatic gaps, making your content flow edge to edge and giving your template a crisp, modern finish. Take a moment to preview your changes and see the difference. If it doesn't look quite right yet, double-check that all 4 padding sides, top, bottom, left, and right, are set to 0. This part might take a few moments to get used to if you're not familiar with Mailchimp's interface, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it fast. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply hit Save and Close. Mailchimp automatically saves your settings, but I always like to click this just to be sure everything's locked in. That's it, you've just removed excess white space from your Mailchimp template, and your emails or landing pages will look a lot more sleek and professional going forward. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave any questions you might have down in the comments. I'm always here to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.